Sofia binti Abdullah. My metric number is 270850. So basically today I'm gonna share with you guys the meaning of the nature, my personal experience, and also what can we do to protect our nature. So basically, what is the real meaning of the nature? Okay, nature in the broadest sense is actually about the natural, physical, material world or universe. Okay, we can refer nature to the phenomena of physical world or life in general. Within the various uses of the words nowadays, we can also refer the nature to geology or wildlife. Okay, so now I would like to share my personal experience. It's actually happened when I was in Form 6. We went to Jantuk Pahang for about 3 days, 2 nights. It's actually under our school's program and co-curriculum programs. First day, we went to Kuala Gandah Elephant Sanctuary. As you know that over there is quite interesting. Visitors are given the chance to go into the river to play with the elephants and also feed the elephant with the food, and also we can play with them. We can also saw the showcase where they play with elephant in the cage, and also we can play with them. Also we can saw the video of the elephant and buy the souvenirs over there. Okay, after that, second day, we went to the Pahang National Park in Temerloh. Okay, over there is also quite interesting and fun because we went for hiking at Bukit Tahan. Bukit Tahan is one of the famous place in Temerloh, Pahang, where we can eat the fish over there. And also, okay, we went for hiking. Hiking is quite interesting and is quite tired. And also, after we hiking for about 1.5 hours, I guess, and then we went to the Orang Kampung village or Orang Asli village, because then we over there also quite interesting because we're riding the boat to there to the destination, and the Orang Asli villages are very welcoming and they share with us about their nature, their culture, and I really enjoy their nature and also their life is quite interesting, and I learned a lot over there. And then this third day, there's no activities. We actually play and then I just get back home. Okay.
Good morning to Madam and my fellow friends. My name is Sita Rabia Adawiah binti Mak Zakri and my metric number is 273038. Meaning of nature, in my opinion, nature is all the animal, plants and other things in the world that are not made by people, and all the events and processes are not caused by people. The nature is everything around us which surround us with a beautiful environment. Experience about nature, I have one. I have experience dealing with natural disaster. I am from Kelantan. As you guys know, in 2014, Kelantan was hit by a huge flood that nearly devastated the stage. If I'm not mistaken, in late December, three consecutive day of heavy rainfall before suddenly stop for one day, and then after that it rained again. Not less than 24 hours, my house was filled with water up to the waist level. Everyone in my house busy to save their stuff and electrical goods. We packed our clothes and wait carefully for rescue to be taken to the flood relief center. What surprised me, a rescue boat can enter into the living room in my house. When I was in the boat, I only see the water around me. While at the relief center, we need to share space, food and drink with the other flood victims. We can save our nature by use the public transportation to go everywhere. More benefit you can get by use the public transportation, such as help reduce the global warming, air pollution, and your monthly living costs. You will significantly reduce the amount of pollution and greenhouse gas emission you generate each day. Besides that, we can use the solar energy instead of use the fossil fuels to save our nature. More benefit we can get from using the solar energy, such as can reduce our electricity bills and can be deployed anywhere as long as there is sunshine. The most importantly, solar energy not produce greenhouse gas and not pollute the water.